Oh. Ay, ang smooth. Wow. Hi guys, it's been a long time. So for today's video is we will do unboxing. So I have two packages from different stores. So we'll check this one out. First, let's have this one. So this is from Wear Specialties. Actually, nagulat ako when they reached out to me to check their products and basically review. Whoa! This is from Wear Specialties. So let's review kung ano yung klase ng damit nila. So actually, siguro nakita nila na I've been reacting to SB19 and also I'm an 18. So ito yung woohoo! If you're familiar with Simula at Wakas, they have also fan-made art. So this is not the official merch ha. I'm just giving you a disclaimer. So this is a fan-made shirt. Oh, bango. Maganda yung klase ng ano niya, tela. Oh, ay, ang smooth. Tsaka ito yung klase ng tela na hindi mainit. Tsaka makapal siya. Parang ganito. Oh, I love it. This is the front. Look at that. That's the logo. Akala ko mas maliit siya, pero okay din. And this is the back. And let's check the fabric. Hindi siya nakikita, hindi siya see-through, hindi manipis, makapal, and mabango. Hindi siya yung mabango na may baho, but it's mabango na walang ano. And one thing I like is diretso siya. Ayan, look at the sides. Diretso siya na pagkatahi. So, mostly kasi sa mga ganitong klase ng shirt, hindi tulad nito na may line. Mostly kasi pag ganitong shirt is ito yung mga mamahalin na type na shirt. Yung diretso sa gilid, wala siyang line. 'Di ba ito yung underarm, wala siyang tahi. With Wear Specialties, mura siya. So if you check that out, kapag kasi ganitong shirt, nakikita niyo sa mga branded, super branded na shirt, it ranges around mga 2 to 3,000 yan. Pero dito, mura lang klase na shirt siya. Now let's go to the print. Look at the print. This is ano ba to? DTF ba to? Parang DTF yung gamit nila. And hindi to basta-basta nag-crack. Yun yung maganda dito, including sa likod. Ayan. Hindi siya directly printed. Meron siyang parang makapal na ink. So it's DTF. Iba kasi yung vinyl. Iba yung vinyl. Kasi yung vinyl nagka-crack. This one is DTF. So if you're familiar, I'm very familiar with printing kasi nagpe-print ako. So, Wear Specialties. Ayan, ganda ng quality nila ng shirt. Now, I have also black. Ayan. So, dinalawa ko siya kasi I wanted na dalawang shirt, black and white. So, I can wear on my reaction videos. Okay, yan First, Simula at Wakas World Tour. Ooh. And the SB19 logo. Yes, at least nakuha ko SB19 logo at saka Simula at Wakas. Ang ganda ng quality niya. Ang bango pa. And yun nga, hindi siya klaseng type na mainit. Hindi din siya klaseng type na manipis. What it looks like. I'm wearing large. Okay. Malaki na ako. And this is the back. This is how it looks like sa white. Yan. That's the logo. Ganyan siya kalaki. And this is the back. Yeah. That's the back. So yun, this is Wear T. So if you want to know what are their products, kasi may marami silang fan-made shirts. So you can check that out. Check the yellow back. So you will be seeing this shirt in my next videos if it is related to SB19.